Hi and welcome back to Get Fed by Prachi. Today we are making rich Mughlai main course Navratna Korma. To make the base gravy, we'll boil cashews, onions, garlic, ginger and green chilli. Once it cools down, grind it to a smooth paste. Moving on to prepping the veggies, here I have 1/3 cup each of French beans, carrot, cauliflower and peas. Boil these along with 1 teaspoon each of salt and sugar for 10 minutes. Adding sugar while boiling takes out the bitterness out of the veggies if any. Heat 1 tablespoon of desi ghee and add the prepared onion and cashew paste. Add 1 tablespoon of coriander powder, half tablespoon garam masala, 1/4 tablespoon white pepper powder. Simmer on low until the ghee separates. Add 1 cup water to adjust the consistency and make sure to mix well, ensuring there are no lumps. Season with salt to taste, sugar since this gravy is on sweeter side, cardamom powder and kasuri methi. Give all of this a good mix and add in the boiled vegetables, some fried paneer cubes and canned pineapple. You could also substitute canned pineapple for cherries or raisins. Finish with 2 tablespoons of fresh cream. I am garnishing the sabzi with some cherries and grated paneer. Serve hot with some naan or parathas and enjoy.